Do you have 3CX on your smartphone and would like to make use of all of its components? In this video, we'll tackle the different features available on 3CX iOS and Android applications. Hi, I'm Jennifer Gutierrez, Client Account Manager at Intelligent Technical Solutions. In this video, we'll discuss the features of 3CX for your smartphone. We'll go over how to make and manage calls, how to manage your voicemail, how to transfer calls, how to create conference calls, how to record calls, and how to park calls. The first feature of the 3CX iOS and Android applications is the ability to make and manage calls. To make calls, simply dial the number you're calling or look for the contact in your address book at the bottom. Then press the call button. To put a call on hold, press the hold button. Press it again to remove the call from hold. To mute your microphone while in a call, press the mute button. Press it again to open your mic. To end the call, simply press the end call button. The second feature of the 3CX iOS and Android applications is voicemail management. To view your voicemail messages through iOS and Android apps, press the voicemail option at the bottom of the screen. You should then be able to see all of your voicemail messages. Unfortunately, you cannot set your voicemail greeting on an Android or iOS device. To do this, you will need to go to either your 3CX web client, desk phone, or desktop app. Check out the following videos if that's what you need to know. The next feature of 3CX iOS and Android is call transferring. There are two kinds of call transfers available on a 3CX iOS and Android phone. The first kind is a blind transfer. The call is transferred without you speaking to the receiver on the other end. To do this, press the transfer key during an active call. The call will be placed on hold. Then enter the number you want to transfer the call to. The call will immediately be transferred to the other line. The second kind of transfer is the assisted or warm transfer. This allows you to put the caller on hold and talk to the receiver on the other line before passing the call. To do an assisted transfer, press the assisted transfer button and enter the extension of the receiver. The original caller will be placed on hold. Once the second party answers, you can now announce the caller to the receiver. Then you may end the call on your phone. If the receiver declines the transfer, the call will be sent to the receiver's voicemail. The fourth feature is to create conference calls. To schedule conference calls in both the iOS and Android app, tap on the menu or hamburger button at the top left corner and select Schedule. Add your subject and set the date and time of your conference. Leave Add to Calendar enabled to create an event in your device calendar and add participants. If you don't want to add an event to the device calendar, disable this option and add participants by selecting existing contacts or enter their phone or email address. Tap Save. However, if you want to set up an immediate conference call, you can directly call someone and set up a meeting while on the phone. After calling someone, press the conference button. Input the other people's numbers and wait for them to pick up. To end the conference call, press the end call icon. The fifth feature of 3CX on your iOS and Android is to record your calls. To record your call, press the record button. Press again if you want to end the recording. The last feature is call parking. Call parking allows other people in your organization to pick up the call because you sent it into a parking orbit. A parking orbit is a queue where other people can pick up the call. For example, You send off a call with Mary into parking orbit 1. Then Stephen, who has access, will continue Mary's call. To park a call, press the transfer button followed by *00 to 09 to specify the parking orbit. For example, *01 will place the call in the parking orbit 1. *02 will place the call in the parking orbit 2. If you want to pick up a parked call, press *10 to 19, where the 0 to 9 is the park orbit number. For example, *11 will pick up any calls parked in orbit 1, while *12 will pick up any calls parked in parking orbit 2. To learn more about the overall features of 3CX, continue to watch more of our listed videos. Here at ITS, we help businesses thrive by managing their technology. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in our other videos.